Were there any cases from Maitland where police refused bail on Christmas Day and therefore the matter was heard at Parramatta Local Court on Boxing Day? Yes, I think there were 2 cases from Maitland. There were 92 freshly listed cases on Boxing Day that are likely to relate to something that happened on Christmas Day. Now, the court list in Parramatta on Boxing Day is just a list of names. There's no information about what the charge is or where in New South Wales this happened. All the cases in New South Wales over the silly season are centralised into Parramatta Local Court. Police do issue media releases and the papers do print stories. This year, the Christmas Day case that you will find the most publicly available information on is the Coffs Harbour police pursuit. In summary, it's 8 a.m. on Christmas morning. It's assumed everyone involved has already opened presents and had Christmas breakfast. Police spot an allegedly stolen car. Police pursuit starts. Police pursuit is called off because of dangerous driving. Later, the allegedly stolen car crashes where the passenger is thrown from the vehicle on impact. The passenger, a 22-year-old female, survives and is charged with breaching bail, but then is bailed again to appear at Casino Local Court in January. The 27-year-old male driver is charged with a number of offences including stealing a car and police pursuit. The police refuse bail and he appears via video into Parramatta Local Court from hospital in Coffs Harbour. That's an interesting way of starting Christmas Day. There are no police media releases about stuff that happened in Maitland. So how do I know that there were 2 cases from Maitland? Once these cases are heard in Parramatta, they usually return back to the part of New South Wales where the offence occurred. So I checked to see where each of these cases are returned to. I know, a bit insane, but I'm on my own and I have no other public information available to me. Remember, there are no police media releases or newspaper stories about these Maitland cases. 2 cases from Parramatta on Boxing Day are now listed here at Maitland Local Court in January. That's Maitland Courthouse in the background and the Maitland Christmas tree. Next question is, what happened that saw the police refuse bail? For that, I have to observe from the gallery to find out the charge and any details spoken out loud. Remember, I'm just a member of the public. I cannot apply to the court like the media do and be told what the charge is. However, as a member of the public, I am allowed to know the charge, but only if I find out myself by observing from the gallery. This is just the way our legal system in New South Wales is designed. If I want to know what the police did on Christmas Day, or if the court followed the law, I have to find out myself. By the way, I think the police granted bail to at least 5 other people on Christmas Day, meaning they were served a can. Not a can of beer or a can of jelly beans, a court attendance notice, and will appear at Maitland Local Court in January. At least 3 of those 5 granted bail by police have an AVO also listed, meaning it's likely the charge is something like assault or intimidation. So I think that there are 7 new cases for Maitland Local Court from Christmas Day. My challenge is, can I find out any details about why the 2 defendants were police bail refused, resulting in an appearance at the New South Wales Local Court on Boxing Day? As a member of the public, can I discover the information?